Imagine this. You wake up every morning and challenge yourself with 100 push-ups. It sounds daunting, even impossible, right? But what if this simple act held the key to unlocking a stronger, healthier, and more resilient you? The 100 push-up challenge, while physically demanding, offers a world of benefits that extend far beyond bulging biceps and a sculpted chest. Committing to 100 push-ups a day isn't just about aesthetics. It's about pushing your limits, testing your willpower, and reaping the rewards of a dedicated exercise routine. This challenge is about transforming your body from the inside out, building strength that goes beyond the physical. As you embark on this journey, you'll experience the remarkable adaptability of the human body. You'll witness your muscles grow stronger, your endurance increase, and your cardiovascular system thank you. But the benefits don't stop there. The mental fortitude you'll develop as you conquer this daily challenge will seep into other aspects of your life, instilling a sense of discipline, accomplishment, and self-belief. So, are you ready to discover the transformative power of 100 push-ups? Let's dive in. When you perform a push-up, you're engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. This compound exercise puts your muscles under stress, causing microscopic tears in the muscle fibers. Don't worry though, this is a good thing. These tiny tears signal your body to repair and rebuild the muscles, making them bigger and stronger than before. This process, known as muscle protein synthesis, is the foundation of muscle growth and is amplified when you consistently challenge your body with exercises like push-ups. But the benefits don't stop at muscle growth. Regular push-ups also improve your muscular endurance, allowing you to perform more repetitions over time and enhancing your ability to handle physical tasks in everyday life. As you progress through the 100 push-up challenge, you'll notice a significant increase in your upper body strength. Tasks that once seemed difficult, like carrying heavy groceries or pushing furniture, will become noticeably easier. This newfound strength isn't just about vanity, it translates into improved functional fitness, allowing you to move with more ease and confidence. But the benefits of this challenge go beyond mere physical strength. The mental resilience you develop as you push through the burn day after day is invaluable. You learn to overcome mental barriers, silence that inner voice telling you to quit, and develop a gritty determination that extends beyond your workouts. This discipline and mental toughness will permeate other areas of your life, helping you tackle challenges with renewed vigor and a can-do attitude. You'll find yourself setting ambitious goals and pursuing them with a tenacity you didn't know you possessed. Beyond the physical transformations, the 100 push-up challenge can lead to positive lifestyle changes. As you experience the benefits of regular exercise, you might find yourself making healthier choices in other areas of your life. Perhaps you'll be inspired to adopt a more nutritious diet, prioritize sleep, or incorporate other forms of exercise into your routine. These positive changes, combined with the physical and mental benefits of the challenge, contribute to an overall improvement in your well-being. The 100 push-up challenge is more than just a physical test, it's a journey of self-discovery. It's about pushing your limits, embracing the struggle, and emerging stronger both physically and mentally. While the 100 push-up challenge primarily targets your muscles, it also delivers a powerful boost to your cardiovascular system. Push-ups, like other forms of bodyweight training, elevate your heart rate and improve blood flow throughout your body. This consistent cardiovascular challenge strengthens your heart muscle, making it more efficient at pumping blood and delivering oxygen to your organs and tissues. Over time, this can lead to a lower resting heart rate, improved blood pressure, and a reduced risk of heart disease. Moreover, the increased blood flow during exercise helps remove waste products from your muscles, reducing muscle soreness and speeding up recovery. This means you'll be able to bounce back quicker from your workouts and feel less stiffness and fatigue. The combined benefits of muscle strengthening and cardiovascular improvement contribute to a healthier and more resilient you, inside and out. While the physical benefits of the 100 push-up challenge are undeniable, the mental and emotional rewards are equally significant. As you conquer this daily challenge, you'll experience a surge of endorphins, the feel-good hormones that have mood-boosting and stress-relieving effects. Regular exercise, including push-ups, has been shown to alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. It provides a healthy outlet for stress and helps to clear your mind, leaving you feeling more relaxed and centered. Furthermore, the sense of accomplishment you gain from completing 100 push-ups each day can boost your self-esteem and self-efficacy. It reinforces the belief that you are capable of setting and achieving challenging goals, which can spill over into other areas of your life. The 100 push-up challenge is not just about the time you spend exercising, it's about the ripple effect it creates in other aspects of your life. The discipline and commitment you cultivate through this challenge can influence your work ethic, relationships, and overall approach to challenges. You might find yourself more focused and productive at work, more patient and understanding in your relationships, and more resilient in the face of adversity. The mental fortitude you develop through this physical challenge has the power to transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Embarking on the 100 push-up challenge is a significant commitment, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Remember to start gradually, especially if you're new to exercise. Begin with a number of push-ups you can comfortably manage and gradually increase the repetitions as you get stronger. Listen to your body, take rest days when needed, and don't be afraid to modify the exercise if necessary. The key is consistency and gradual progression. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single push-up. The 100 push-up challenge is not a quick fix. It's a commitment to long-term health and well-being. The key to unlocking its full potential is consistency. Make it a part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or eating breakfast. Find a time that works best for you and stick to it. Some people prefer to start their day with this invigorating challenge, while others find it more manageable in the evening. Experiment and see what works best for you. And most importantly, enjoy the journey.